it is simple, guys. Just click the top right, you will see download, click it. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna teach you guys how to make your professional logo, guys. And by the way, thank you so much guys for 100 subscribers. So yep, let's get started with the video. Okay, so first you will go to Google Chrome and go to Canva, just like that. And after that, you'll click the top link. After that, you will press sign up. Then press sign up with Google if you have a Google account. Press it. I will use my Google account, and yep, loading. And you'll scroll down a little bit, guys. Scroll down and you'll see logo. Click it, and yep, it will show you this page. So it will show you which one you like. So example, guys, I like this one, guys. Example, I like this one. So I want to change the name. Click it, guys, and then just write your name. I'll write my name, Ziva L Kaban. So like that. After that, you can also change the picture, guys. So example, I don't like trees. I want to change it. So right click, delete. After that, go to elements. Go to elements and search the thing you want, guys. So example, I want lion, guys. Enter. And so example, I want this one. Just put it there, and boom, done. After that, you can, if you want to change the color of the background, go to close it, go here, and then you can change now. So I want light blue. Boom, I can change it. After that, and you can add other element, guys. So just like that, boom, you have your own logo. So yep, and you also can add some text. So I will add glow like that. I will add there, add here, glow. You can also change the text, guys, if you want. So I want the like that. So I'll put it here, like that, and then boom, done. You have your own logo, guys. And let me just change to this, and yep, it looks perfect. And now to save it, it's simple, guys. Just click the top right, you will see download, click it. Okay guys, so if you want small size, you can choose JPG, press it, and yep, just click download. It's so simple. And yep, it's so load here now. And now below, as you see, there is this one. Click it, and now if we open it, as you see, guys, boom, we have my own logo, guys. So yep, and it's free, guys. Yep, so if you have any question, comment down below in the comment section below, and subscribe and like if you're new. Okay guys, goodbye, see you later. Thank you. It's in the stars tonight. So